Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see how can you create your own TradingView indicators. You all must be having brilliant ideas in trading and you wanted to convert those ideas into an indicator so that you can get the buy sell signals and trade easily. But as you are not programmers, you are not able to create those indicators. But in today's video, we are going to see how can we leverage AI and turn our ideas into TradingView indicators where AI will generate the Pine script for us and we can use the Pine script on TradingView to create our own indicators. For this, you don't need to be a programmer. You just need to know how to talk with AI. So generally, we will be using any of the popular AI, and again we'll be using a free version. We are not going to use any paid version. Either we'll be using Google Gemini or ChatGPT. Anyone you can use for creating your own trading view indicators. Only thing is you have to have an idea what kind of indicator you wanted to create. So today we will create a simple indicator which is a famous indicator like golden crossover 50 EMA crossover over 200 EMA. So this is the indicator. We will be creating it today with the help of AI, and we'll be using that code and bringing back that code into TradingView, and then we'll be creating our own indicators. For this, we will follow four simple step process. One is you need to have an idea. You have to write an idea and you have to give a prompt to AI. Let AI generate the code, paste that code into Pine editor on TradingView, save it, apply on the chart. Your indicator is ready. So again, when you are giving a prompt to AI, you just don't give the vague prompts, so AI will not understand properly. You have to make AI understand and think what is your expectation so that it can give you the right output. So now we will be opening Google Gemini here. So again, if you see, it is a free version which I'm using, and you just have to type gemini.google.com on your browser, or you can download app also, Google Gemini app on your mobile. You just log in through any of your Gmail account. No need to have the paid account. You just have to have the free version. That should be more than enough for us to create the indicators. So now how you are going to give the prompt to AI to create your own indicators. So let me use microphone to give that prompt. I want you to think as an expert in creating indicators on TradingView using Pine script. So I wanted an indicator which is a golden crossover 50 EMA crossing over 200 EMA. In that situation, I wanted to generate a buy signal when a candle is closing above both 50 and 200 EMA, while 50 EMA is crossing over 200 EMA. When these both conditions meet, then a buy signal should be generated, and vice versa. When 50 EMA crossing downside 200 EMA and a red candle closing below 50 EMA and 200 EMA, once the candle is closed, when these two conditions met, I wanted you to generate a sell signal. So now I have given the prompt, so I will just send. So it is going to create an indicator for us. If you see, I've got you as a Pine script expert. I understand exactly what you are looking for. You want a golden cross and death cross logic. Now, if you see here, the strategy looks like buy signal. 50 EMA is above 200 EMA, and the current candle closes above both. This is for the sell signal. So now, if you see, it have created the indicator. It have generated the code for us. Now, what you have to do here, you are seeing a small icon, right? So you just have to click on this copy code, and you just have to go into the trading view. Now I'm back into the trading view. In trading view, if you see here, you will be seeing the Pine editor here. So you just have to click here on the right hand side. Behind your watch list down, you will be seeing this Pine editor. You just have to click on this Pine editor. So it is going to open a window. So here what I'll do, I'll go create new indicator. So I will say Control A, and whatever code which I've copy pasted, I'm copying here. I'll come here, I'll paste that code. Whatever code that is generated by our Gemini, which is an AI assistant. So we have generated the code using AI assistants. I just copied and coming here, I'm just pasting here my code. So here you can give your naming convention, whatever name convention you wanted to give. Here it is giving expert EMA crossover with price filter. So I can give whatever name I wanted to give. I will rename this to 50 slash 200 EMA crossover. So I'll just click on save. So now if you see 50 cross 200 EMA crossover. So here we are getting an error. Could not include a time frame argument in the indicator. So let me close this replay. So now what you have to do, you have to click on add to chart. So when you are clicking on add to chart, you are getting an issue here. So when you get an issue, what you will do, you just have to take a screenshot of that. Again, I will go here. Again, what I'll do, I'll just paste here and I'll ask, when I apply it on the chart, I see some errors. Please resolve all errors and make this script error free. I'll just enter. So now again it is going to check these errors and it is going to give us the final script, which is an error free script. So when you copy paste from AI, you might get some errors because of the version that TradingView is using and the version of the script that our AI is generating. So now it have generated the script. I'll copy this, come back here, again Control A. I'll just click Control A and I'll paste this here. So now I'll refresh this here. So I see now there are no errors. So if you see here, the script applied here. So our indicator applied here, and you are also seeing the buy signals already generated here. Buy and sell signals are generated here. Again, this is not a bulletproof strategy. We have just created a sample strategy here to showcase you how can you create your own TradingView indicators. Again, don't take this script as the final strategy and don't try to execute without any backtesting. Okay, so now how you can apply your alerts. So you just have to come here. You just on your indicator, you just have to go here, add alert here. So when you click on add alert, so if you see here, you can add alert to Apollo Hospital. So here from the alerts, you can see expert EMA crossover. So and this is the alert function, same as the chart. So either you can select Apollo or you can select FNO. So here FNO stocks is my watch list. Either you can select watch list and create an alert. When you create an alert, you will get alerts, buy sell alerts whenever it triggers on all the stocks here on the daily time frame, on the because we are currently on the daily time frame. So based on daily time frame, whichever stock which is there in this watch list, you will get an alert on your mobile. If you are using a TradingView app on your mobile, you will get an alert on your mobile, or if you are using a browser, you can see the alerts coming on the browser. One sample indicator I will show you, the one which I've created here. If you can see here, the indicator which I've created, this is a seasonality monthly performance indicator. So if I select Bank Nifty, so if I go and select Nifty or Bank Nifty, if I select Nifty from 2015 to till date, okay, which month it was positive, which month it was negative, and overall what is the average profit percentage of Nifty in that month. Okay, so that those are the things you will be seeing here on this indicator. This level of indicators also you can create on your own with the help of AI. Again, it is free. Okay, using a free tool only you can create. There are many other tools like PineGen AI. There are many other tools using which you can create the prime script indicators also. Again, these are the paid tools. Okay, if you come and see here, okay, this is a PineGen AI where you can create your own trading view indicators. So here, if you see here, you can create your own indicators as well. Okay, so here you have different pricing plans. So now let's copy this paste, say same prompt here, whatever we have given here, and let's see how it is going to create. Let me copy and paste this prompt. Okay, and what I'll do is generate a code for a prompt. Okay, I'll just send yes. Let's see how it is going to create. Again, this you can log in using any of your Gmail accounts. So pinegen.ai. So I will be giving this site link in the description as well. If you wanted to explore, you can explore as well this site. So this one is also going to generate the code similar to Google Gemini. You can use ChatGPT also. Any of the AI tool you can use. So again, AI, you have to just use as your assistant or a mentor. Again, don't fully rely without back testing on the code which is generated by AI. Whatever indicators you are creating, you go and back test. Without back test, you don't go and apply on the chart or trade with your real capital. Okay, if you want any such prompts like this, if you want any prompts or prompting formulas, what kind of prompts you have to use, so you can join my free WhatsApp group. I will be posting different kinds of prompts there. What is the guide you have to use to create the indicators, which kind of prompting techniques you have to use, all kinds of these guides or these guidance you will be getting in my free WhatsApp group. So I will be posting that WhatsApp group link under this video in the description. You can just join there as well. Okay, hope you have understood this, how to create your own indicator. In case if someone have any idea and you wanted me to create those kind of indicators, please comment under this video so I can go ahead and create those indicators as well, so that you will get an idea how can you create your own indicators as well. Thank you everyone for watching this video.